Hey guys, what's up? I just got these Bloom SpaRkling energy drinks off of Amazon, and this is like the variety pack, and so I'm gonna try all four of these, although I'm just gonna drink a little of each, right? So just to kind of talk about the flavor, kind of let you know what you're gonna be getting, and we'll kind of see what they look like. So we've got cherry lime, raspberry lemon, strawberry watermelon, and peach mango. So I think I actually want to end on the cherry. Cherry's usually like my favorite flavor, and I really like lime a lot. So I'm hoping to end on my favorite, but we'll see how this goes. All right. This is my first time trying Bloom, by the way. So I'm excited about this. Excited to have sparkling energy available, right? So, all right, let's try the peach mango first. Let's see what that looks like. Got a little yellow color. All right, let's give this a taste. Wow, I'm kind of surprised how much flavor is in there. Definitely like a lot of flavor. That kind of reminds me of like a peach candy from when I was a kid. And if you taste it, you're going to know what I mean. It's pretty good. Lots of flavor. I think I taste more peach than mango to me, but it reminds me of like a peach candy. Okay, now we have strawberry watermelon. Let's give this a shot. Also similar color. Alrighty. Okay. I think that's probably my preference over that. And that's just a personal preference. They're both super flavorful. It just kind of depends on what flavor you like more. Also, lots of flavor. I'm having a hard time deciding if I think it tastes more. I'm going to say probably more strawberry. Kind of hard for me to identify either one super specifically, but you definitely have a lot of like sweet flavor there. Then we've got the raspberry lemon. So I'm excited to try this. Also really happy that these don't have any sugar because I'm mostly sugar free. So, all right, raspberry lemon. I do like citrusy flavors like lemon and lime. Also a similar color. Let's give this a taste. Yeah, that one I would say is definitely, it definitely has the big sweetness to it that the others do. But then there's also a tart layer that I think comes from that lemon flavor. So yeah, anyway, that's what I would say about that one. All right, let's end on the cherry lime, which again is what I'm assuming will be my favorite, but we'll see. I really like all of them. Like I would drink any one of these on any given day. But you know, you always have the one that's like top of your list. So they're all really like the same color. All right, let's give this one a taste. Cherry lime. All right. Oh, I do like that a lot. I would say that I do think that this is probably going to end up being my favorite. I think I'm trying to think of how to describe this. I would say the tartness in this one is less than this, so I don't really taste the tart lime like I did the tartness in the lemon. I think that this one is, I'm trying to think of how to describe it, like a more rounded flavor. Rather than like really sweet forward. It is very sweet, but it's not like as forward as the others are. I don't even know if that makes sense. That's the best way I can think for how to describe it. Anyway, okay. I like all of these. They're sweeter in taste than I imagined any of them would be. I would drink any one of them on any given day. and enjoy it. So now I'm going to figure out how to package these up so I can make the most of them, because I'm definitely not drinking 4 of these right now. Anyway, I really hope this was helpful for you. And I think a variety pack is a great idea. If you want to end up getting just one particular flavor, you can do that. Variety's great, especially if you're like hosting people and you want to give people options. But sometimes it's fun to try different things for yourself too. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.